I am back. After, I think, 3 months na to, hindi nag-upload, no? I'm sorry. I took a break. Marami lang talagang naganap sa work, sa life. And I just feel like it was the perfect time for me, to take a break. Pero again, guys, I am back. And also, madami kasi ako inantay ng mga bagong ganap sa work na hindi ko pwedeng i-announce at that time. But now, pwede ko na silang i-share sa inyo. Okay? Let me just again say hello to my 37,000 YouTube subscribers! Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my videos, commenting. Ayan, alam ko, over the past few weeks and the past 3 months, I haven't been uploading any types of new content about working from home or about cyberbacker, about the new jobs that we have. But again, guys, I am officially back and I'm super excited to share some new important things for you. Let's go back to the basics muna. Again, if you're someone who's interested to work from home wala kayong any idea about cyberbacker, how to get started, like ano ba yung mga available jobs na meron kami, I do suggest for you to attend Career Night. Ayan, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung Career Night. So, I think some of you, especially my followers, nakita niyo announcement ko yesterday, I think it was yesterday or this week, na meron na kaming bagong schedule na Career Night. And meron na kaming 2 kinds of Career Night. Ayan. So, let me explain the 2 types of Career Night that we have right now para naman mas maingganyo kayong umattend ng mga free online events namin. Alright? Okay, so let's get started. Sa number 1, we have the Growth Backers Career Night. So, Growth Backer Career Night happens every week on Tuesdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. Ayan. So, ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa Growth Backers Career Night? If you've been following me and napanood nyo yung mga old videos ko about Growth Backer is one of the highest paying jobs here in cyberbacker, as in up to 2 million annual income in peso. Guys, let me just put a disclaimer na you're not gonna get offered 2 million pesos in cash right away. It says there up to, okay? And I can personally attest to that. I've known some people who've been earning so much in cyberbacker just because they are a growth backer and they love and they're really good with what they do. If you're someone who's been working in the BPO industry, you love doing calls, you love talking to people, you love sales, ayan, ito yung mga people na I think super pasok sila to be a growth backer. And again, growth backers, they earn a lot. They earn a lot. Again, so guys, if you're interested to be a growth backer, then I do suggest na umattend kayo ng Growth Backers Career Night. Growth Backer Career Night happens every week on Tuesdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. Ayan, okay? So, yun lang yung difference nila. And then, the original one naman that we have, the Cyberbacker Career Night, will happen every week pa rin ng Thursdays from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Manila time. So, ano naman yung nandun sa Career Night natin na regular version? Every Thursday. So, yun yung malalaman nyo lahat ng available jobs namin, ano yung mga top jobs na hinahanap namin, both for full-time and part-time. Ayan. So, meron po kami niyan, part-time and full-time, available here in cyberbacker. Also, malalaman nyo dun kung ano yung mga available voice, non-voice job, admin jobs, and of course, the most important thing is you get to meet some of our cyberbackers and also some of the people from our career night, maybe some people from my team, and also you get to ask questions. So that is really the perfect opportunity for you to know more about our company, especially if you're someone new na who wants to go, in the work from home industry, you want to be a freelancer on this industry. This is really a perfect event. So, ayun guys. Ano pa nga ba? Ano yung mga kailangan nyong dalhin sa career night? Wala. Sarili nyo lang. So, make sure na you have your internet connection, you have your camera, you have your headset, or earphones, kahit wireless. Ayan. So, it's because we want to, hear you better. We want to see your faces. Ayan. Pag nandun kayo. So, you will not see me there. A lot of people are asking me, nandun ka ba, Miss Aria? Ganyan. Ay, wala. Wala po ako doon usually. Pero, some of my team members from my division, the SMM, will be there to, maybe invite you to apply in our division. Ayan. So, may mga ganon. So, currently, may mga opening sa aking division, but I will be able to share those with you on my next YouTube videos, and also some of the new jobs that we have. Alright? Ayan, so nag-prepare talaga ako ng content sa inyo for the whole month of September. So I'm super excited to talk to you guys again. And for over the next couple of weeks on my next YouTube videos, I will be sharing with you some of the things that I use when I am working from home, and also ano yung mga ginagamit naming backup equipment, lalo na kapag nawawala ng kuryente, nawawala ng internet, kasi I know it's Burr months, guys. Happy Burr months! Merry Christmas! Ayan, and alam niyo naman pag Burr months, maraming bagyo, maraming typhoon, maraming hindi natin alam ng mga situations, but guys, work is work and we have to do our best all the time. Kaya naman meron tayong mga backup. So, I will be sharing with you those soon. And also, meron akong gustong bagong gawin dito sa channel natin. I want to show you guys kung ano yung ginagawa ko on every Friday. Usually, every Friday, I'm very busy with work. So, gusto ko makita nyo what it's like to be a cyberbacker on a Friday night. Ayan. So, marami tayong abangan dito sa YouTube channel ko. And guys, I will try my best to upload other contents na mga nire-request nyo before. I promise. That's my promise to you guys, especially this Burr months hanggang papunta tayo sa Christmas season. Ayan. So, again, guys, thank you so much for always watching my video, for always sending me your messages. And again, guys, thank you so much for subscribing and liking all my videos. Until then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Guys! Really, look! Really! Yay! Oh, really? Loki! Ano mo naman? Ang cute-cute mo eh. Oh. Yeah!
Live the good life, yeah. The good life with trouble back. Good life with trouble back. Live life with trouble back. Live the good life. We are family. Together we'll succeed. Moving forward to the future. A world-class company helping you achieve your dreams. We're gonna go higher and higher. Wherever you are, we got your back. We got what you need. Whoever you are, we got your back. Satisfaction guaranteed. Good life, oh yeah. Good life with trouble.